Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's look is going to be a Lannister inspired look. We're going to be using the Urban Decay Game of Thrones palette once again. I'm just going to be using these Lannister shades right here, these 5. This is the 5 that spoke to me the most. This is my kind of look. I love the burnt oranges, the red tones, the golds. I feel like you can wear those all the time, anytime, day or night, rain or shine, any season. I'm all about a gold smoky eye. I absolutely love this look. I hope you guys enjoy it too. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will link all of my other videos that I have done with all the other looks down below in the description box, and also all the products and where you can find them. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So first I'm going to go into House Lannister, which is this kind of peachy orangey shade, and that's going to be my transition shade. So I'm just going to place that all over the lid in windshield wiper motions. And if it looks like I already have mascara on, it's kind of because I do. I put some waterproof mascara on and just testing it out, and it doesn't want to come off. And I didn't want to work at it before filming, so I thought, you know what, we're just gonna keep it on. It's fine. And this shade is so close to my natural skin tone that I think it's gonna be really hard to like make it pop, if you will. I'm gonna go back in and try and deepen it up just a hair more, just so that that transition is going to be really, really nice. I feel like this palette lends itself to making some really, really pretty smoky eyes. I feel like, you know, each section, it has a lot of dark, warm undertones in it. The only one that's gonna be kind of different is gonna be the Khaleesi one. I think that one will be more ethereal, if you will. I'm gonna go ahead and take a more defined crease brush, and I'm gonna dip right into Casterly Rock, which is kind of like a nice, neutral, warm tone brown. And we're gonna pack that in the crease and also on the outer V. I'm gonna kind of bring that around just a little bit, really blend out that top. Like, I hope me resting my elbow doesn't like bug you guys on the table. I find that this is how I like to do my makeup. It creates a steadier hand, I feel. It's just a personal preference for me, so I hope you guys don't care. If you do, I'm sorry, but this is how I do it, so you're just gonna have to, you know, get over it. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I would never say that. That's me. I'm gonna take another crease brush and add this Lannister red. This is a Jenny color if I ever saw one. Sorry, there was a hair on my brush. I'm gonna kind of blow off the excess. I'm gonna really pack that in nice and tight on the outer V, just on the lower portion. And you can tell that it spices it up just a little bit. You can see that red peeking through, and it's gonna pair really, really nicely with the next shade that we have coming. So then I'm just gonna take my finger, sorry, not to flip you off. That's just the finger I prefer to choose. And I'm gonna take Red Keep. We're gonna make this the most burnt orange smoky eye you've ever seen. And it is gonna be so gorgeous. I'm just gonna move that around my eye. Oh, guys, this color, so beautiful. And then what I think I'm gonna do, just to make it pop even more, I'm gonna take the shade King's Landing. I'm going to just gently tap over the center and make that even more like a golden shimmer sheen. Just right on top of that burnt orange. So beautiful. Yes. And I'm gonna bring that through the corner there. Now we're gonna go back in and I'm gonna deepen it up. I'm gonna take both Lannister Red and Casterly Rock, mix those two together, and really go in and blend that out. Make sure there are no harsh lines there. Really deepen it up. And you're gonna see that these shades, if you have blue eyes, your eyes are gonna pop with this color. I'm just gonna take Casterly Rock right on the bottom. Really make sure that's blended. And then I'm gonna go back into House Lannister and we're just gonna pump that. Since it is so light, I am gonna go up on my brow bone with it just a little bit, just so we don't have any harsh lines whatsoever. Oh, that color, you guys, that burnt orange, I can't. It's so beautiful. It's literally such a pretty color. And then I'm gonna take my King's Landing shade, just barely tap into it. Tap off all the excess, and I'm gonna put that right underneath the brow bone just a little bit. Just so we have a little wash of shimmer up there. Beautiful. That's exactly what I was looking for. So now I'm gonna go in with the Game of Thrones Glide On Pencil in Lannister Gold, and I'm gonna put that right in my waterline, and you'll see how open this makes my eyes. Don't my eyes look so open? I'm about that life. I'm gonna tightline the top just a little bit. And this eyeliner is kind of like being a joke right now, so I need to get a new pencil sharpener quite badly actually. Beautiful. I'm gonna take my smudger and smudge that top line out so that way the black looks a little bit more natural and feminine, not quite so harsh. I think an exaggerated wing would look really pretty with this look. That's just me personally though. I don't think I'm gonna do it here just for the sake of, I want to keep this as simple and easy as possible, but you could definitely play it up and do something like that. Do like a really bold wing with it and it would look so cool. I'm gonna go ahead and get my mascara on. This is just the It Cosmetics. We're gonna go over the top of that old mascara, so we'll see how well this layers on top of it. It's not doing too bad actually. I'm quite pleased. And then I'm gonna go ahead and coat my bottom lashes. I'm gonna go grab just a regular spoolie with nothing on it. This is just the travel size Monsieur Big or whatever you call that by Lancome. It doesn't really have any product on it. I'm just gonna drag it through my lashes just so that they're not so clumpy, hopefully. That's the goal. No clumpy eyes, thank you. Okay, and now to finish things off, I'm gonna take the Cersei Lannister lipstick, which is just this really pretty rich brown with like flecks of gold in it. I'm just gonna put that right on my lips, and it is a metallized, that's what I called them last time, but I'm still not sure. Are they metallized or are they like matte? I don't know, the metallic kind, whatever. I feel like out of all the lipsticks, I feel like this one pairs the best as far as the eye colors that they chose for that certain character. I actually really love this look. I think it's really pretty. It's very fun. I like the gold eyeliner. It like opens up your eyes. You could totally flip-flop it and do gold on top and black on bottom. Whatever's gonna float your boat. This is totally like my kind of look. I love these burnt oranges, these golds. Like I am so about a gold smoky eye, and this one, like I keep checking in the mirror, like I absolutely love this. I think it's such a pretty shade, and layering the Red Keep and King's Landing together, it's gorgeous. I love it. I think it turned out really fun. Anyways, I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.